Moving into your new home is always very exciting because it's an opportunity for you to entirely make it your own. While embarking on your journey of decorating a new house amid many possible constraints, if certain corners of your house have very limited space in your home, then you have to think twice before decorating and organizing your space to make it as functional as possible. In today's video, I will be sharing some more home hacks so that you can make your home look more neat, organized, and clean. So let's get started. When it comes to decorating a home, there are few things where I never resist myself in terms of spending money. And furnishing for my home is one of them. We all at some point of time bought those top tap curtains like these. But sometimes they won't give that beautiful grace when you use them in your home, especially when you slide them left or right. The gathers form never give that neat look. So you can turn those into front tabs or pleated drapery with just a needle and thread. Just fold these tabs backward like this and then use a needle and thread to fix it. You can pass the curtain rod through these loops and voila, your new curtains are all set to make your home look even more beautiful. Now, this hack is a completely borrowed idea, but I really like it. I got to know about it from one of my relatives, and I thought I should share it with you all. Eventually, we all get those flower garlands during the festivals. But once they dry out, we either put them in temples or simply immerse them in water because this is how we are trained. But eventually, we are polluting the rivers and land. So, this idea is the best. Just dry them and make the incense sticks out of them. Just take the dry flower and add camphor. Next, put some luvan in it. Grind it and make a paste. One thing that I have noticed is add camphor once you grind the whole thing. Camphor sticks to the mixer and makes it really difficult for cleaning. Once you grind everything, add a little bit of ghee and honey so that you can nicely bind it, and also it will help in burning. Add water if you need and put them in the molds. Dry it overnight and voila, your incense cups are ready. Just use them in temples or simply use it to add some nice fragrance in your home. Especially in summers, it really makes the whole home smell very nice. We all know the fibers from bed liners accumulate dust, but it also captures all the dead skin particles from your body from repetitive usage. Wash your sheets once a week and your blankets, comforters, and mattress protector once a month or two to help keep the dust down in your bedroom. Now, many of you may want to ask me about this complete bed set. This comforter is from Sleepyhead. I have been using it for quite some time and you can find it in multiple color options. This is reversible and the fabric feels very premium. The mattress protector is an easy to put cover for mattress to maintain its hygiene and ensure that there will be no spills on your mattress. In one of my previous videos, you guys have asked me about the pillow which I'm using. I couldn't share it earlier because I was also not sure about how these ones are actually going to be. But after using them quite some time, I can give you my honest review for the pillows. I was looking for a pillow which provide adequate support, and these memory foam pillows are just perfect to make my sleep time the most comfortable. They just keep the upper side cool, which again is good for summers. This pillow comes with this top cover which can be very easily removed for washing. Since I like all the products a lot from Sleepyhead, and recently my parents were looking for a mattress which should be more comfortable for them to sleep. Not so soft and not so firm as well. I ordered this Lexi mattress from Sleepyhead and believe me, it's one of the best purchases for my parents. You can find all the purchase links below in the description box. This mattress is just to give my honest reviews on my channel. I have opened it and now I'm gonna give it back to my parents. It really looks very bad when we see those wires on the countertop or on the study decks, especially when you can really wrap it around nicely and can make the whole area look neat. Recently, I started using the wire wrapper, which has adhesive at the back. Just peel and stick it on the appliance. Now, this cord wrapper is mostly good for thin wires. So, if you're thinking about thick wires, then command hooks comes really handy for those. Take two command hooks, fix either vertically or horizontally like this. Wrap the wire around and voila, your wire is nicely tucked at the back, not at all visible and making the space look less cluttered. Now for thin wires like these, especially the Alexa wire which looks very bad all over the tabletop. And you can also use it to organize the wires on the study table. Just measure the wire and wrap the rest of the wire around this cord wrapper. Now as Alexa has a curved surface at the back, it will be very difficult to stick it at the back. So you can fix the adhesive at the bottom and your wires are nicely tucked and not visible at all. Do you also don't know how to get rid of those scratch marks on your wooden furniture? As I already shared one hack where you can use walnuts. And I got many questions that it would be very costly. So here I am sharing these touch-up furniture pins, which are I think not that costly and will last you long. 5 different shades of wood to cover your whole house. When you apply, don't just use it like you're filling the colors. I have seen that it doesn't match with the color. So what you have to do is just simply put the pointed felt on the area and dab it around the scratch. Just apply. They dry super fast and last long on the surface. This way it matches more with the rest of the furniture, which is really very nice. I have been trying them from last 1 month and the area where I have used the color is intact. Many of you have asked me many times about the vacuum cleaner you mostly saw in my videos. It's cordless vacuum cleaner by Kent. I have one more vacuum cleaner from Eureka Forbes, but that is not cordless. Both of them have different uses and different powers to clean around the home. The cordless one comes really very handy when it comes to using it on daily basis. This one comes with all these attachments which makes it really useful to use it daily for cleaning the sofa, floor under the carpet. It became easy to clean under the sofa without bending at all, to clean the hard to reach surfaces like door grills. A good vacuum cleaner is the best weapon in home's dust busting arsenal. A thorough vacuuming once a week or once a day will go a long way towards eliminating dust. I have been using this vacuum cleaner from Kent from last 6 months and I'm quite happy in this price range. The office chairs mostly get dirty because of the mesh or the fabric used on them. Cleaning is difficult because you can't clean this area daily. The plastic frame can be cleaned with a cloth but not this one. So why not to cover this area with these office chair covers? These comes in two separate parts, one for covering the cushions and other for the backrest. First I'll cover the sitting area as it nicely fits with no wrinkles around. The cover for backrest comes with the straps at the back. Just stretch it and strap at the back. But I thought it will not come off from the back, so I put the straps inside just to give it a nice and clean effect from the back. Once or twice a month, just uncover them and toss them in washing machine for cleaning. Summers have approached and many of us have started using water bottles for drinking the water. Now the most important thing is to keep them clean. Cleaning them conventionally using a bottle brush is time consuming and also a little bit lazy. So to clean, just use a Eno sachet. Fill the bottle 1/3 with hot water and empty one sachet into it. Now wait for 5 minutes and all the gunk will dissolve. It will clean the bottles and remove any bacteria from it. Super easy to clean, and once you are done, add soap and clean it again with water. I have shown this cleaning hack earlier also to clean the glass vases, but this way it really becomes very handy to clean all the glass bottles in the home. Sometimes if we don't choose the right organizers, the space will end up like this. I bought this shelf organizer a long back, and this isn't serving the purpose of utilizing the vertical space and making it look more cluttered. If I would have chosen the right organizer, I might be able to utilize this vertical space efficiently. So then I bought this expendable shelf organizer, which can be extended as per your space. And here you can take the maximum advantage of vertical space in organizing your cabinets in your home. Sometimes choosing the wrong things or wrong organizers can also make your home less organized, so choose them wisely. This is all for today's video, and I really hope you are going to find all these home hacks useful. If you like today's video, then you know the drill. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. And yes, you can find all the links for all the products used in today's video in the description box below. So I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.